Oh my! How's it going, folks? Today, we're gonna be fishing in a mysterious pond out in a field near my house. So I'm not usually much of a kayak fisherman, but this pond is impossible to fish off of the bank, really. There's like one spot, but otherwise you can't fish from the bank. You have to use a kayak. So I'm gonna go out on a kayak and I'm gonna have to drag it out like half a mile maybe. I'm just gonna do a quick time lapse of me dragging the kayak all the way out. Okay, so honestly, first impressions, this isn't looking too good. I'm seeing lots and lots of weeds. I brought a frog, luckily, so I'll just try to see if I can get some topwater action going on because of how many weeds there are. Just a nice walking frog right here. Hopefully you can see that. So let's just try it out. The time is currently 5:11. I'll take a few casts with the spinnerbait real fast out in the middle just to see if anything is lurking here. So this pond connects to the Des Plaines River, so that means that there could be some smallmouth in here, but I don't think that there are. But there could be smallmouth, bowfin, pike, bluegill, carp, lots of different things. Just a good old polymer knot on some 65-pound braid with heavy action rod. Should be good, nice and tight. So let's just cast it out. The only problem that I have with the frog is that I know most of these fish are deep because of the summer, but we'll see if we can get any blow-ups. Oh, did you guys just see that? Blow up right there. Like, oh my! What the was that? Oh yeah! No! I just lost a pike.
Okay, cool.
I just got blown up on the buzzbait.
Any specific colors?
I'm using dark.
No, like any specific frog
Yes.
you want?
Yes. I don't care, just dark. Okay.
Yeah, I don't have dark, but the closest thing I got is like a burnt yellow. I'm coming right now.
Okay.
This is the worst parenting I've ever seen. This kid just fell off on their bike and they were just sitting there for like 5 minutes.
What?
We're nowhere to be seen. Alright, well, I'll be there soon, so bye.
Okay, bye. There's something. We got something, boys. Ooh, a nice largemouth. Woo! As you saw, I snapped off on a, probably what I'd say is a pike. I'm gonna review the footage later. But you saw that fish, that blow up. I didn't even get to set the hook. It just bit straight through my 65-pound braid. The perfect knot, no frayed line. I had just put on new line actually, so that was all the fish, and that's the biggest blow up I've had in my life. And then right after that, had a pike on, came off because I was stupid and didn't set the hook, and then I caught a 3-pounder. Great way to start the day. Oh, what the heck is that? Let's cast on that. Oh, that's a beaver. Oh, my butt's starting to hurt. That's what I hate about kayak fishing, is your butt starts to get sore. Come on, fish. Where are you at? Saw a little ripple right here, not right there. Saw a little ripple right here. Oh, come on, man. You didn't even take it that hard. Beavers are creepy. Oh! No! Little bowfin. Did you see that? He missed the frog. I would not stand up like that. That is not smart. Especially... You did? You're gonna set the hook and then you're gonna fall, and this water's disgusting. You were going that fast? Huh. Oh. I'm not sure what it is. It's fighting hard. It's a bass. Good bass. Good bass. Good bass. Let's freaking go. Look at this. Do you see this? No. It's like another 3-pounder. Do you ever scale? I'd like to weigh it.
Come over here, yeah.
Woo! Oh, look at this. Okay, real fast.
Alright, let's check it out. Oh, that actually might be a 3.
I'm guessing 3. Is the unit on pounds?
Yes. It should be on pounds.
3.
3.03.
3.03. Oh my god, he just made that terrible for himself. Oh wait, no he didn't. Okay, go back. Go back. Thank you. No, I have my GoPro, I'm fine. See if I can cast in that. Oh, so close. Come on. Hit it. If I could get this in there, that'd be great. Oh! Come on! I skipped it into the tunnel. Clearly there was something that I spooked. It was probably just a beaver. Mega splash. Come on, let's go. Okay. It's not fall today, especially in this disgusting water. Oh, I stepped on a hook. Let's go. Right through the shoe. Perfect. Okay, let's see. There are any fish over here? What? He caught a frog. Are you gonna try to cast him off?
Oh, this is it.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, that's it.
No!
Here we go, here we go.
We just lost a frog, guys. I'm gonna start heading back. And that'll wrap it up for today's adventure. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was fun filming. Caught 2 nice bass, 3 pounds. We lost a couple, lost a tiny bowfin, a few bass. It's alright though. We caught 2 nice quality ones. And we weren't out too long. We were only out like, I think, an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe. Whatever. It was fun. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment any suggestions for any challenges or anything. Comment any feedback, because this is my first fishing video. It was quite fun to film. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to keep seeing my videos, and the bell button to get notifications so that you can see my video as soon as it drops and you don't miss it. And with that, have a good day and never stop fishing.